Colorado father and son are 3D printing a Lamborghini replica. And this is a cool story that had a little twist and a little turn. Well, first of all, you're probably thinking to yourself, you 3D print a Lamborghini? Yeah, it's incredibly hard work. They've been working on it for years. It's not even done yet. And it's a painstaking process that they've been going through. Pet project. The dad is trying to teach the son about STEM and the idea of, 3D printing, rapid prototyping, things like this. And so they decide to focus on something that would be exciting for the son. Obviously, Lamborghini is squarely in that territory. He was playing a video game racing Lamborghinis, and then the dad was like, what if we 3D print that? Now, a little bit more information on the actual vehicle. It is partly made of Lamborghini parts. So there's some legit Lamborghini parts in there that have been sourced from classifieds and wherever else. And then the 3D printed components are kind of on the exterior for the most part. The engine, however, is a Corvette engine that they're trying to rig up in there. So the reason that's important for this story is because there was a development around Christmas time where Lamborghini found out about the project and decided to surprise the kid with an actual Aventador for the day, to swap out the 3D printed project they were working on and weren't finished with an actual Aventador sitting in the garage. They're valuing it at $417,000, Aventador S, for the day. And so the dad brings him out on Christmas. They pop the garage door, and it's a real Aventador. And the kid's, Dad, what have you been up to? What are you doing here? But of course, the kid also notices all the cameras that are around, so he kind of knows exactly what's going on. The reason this is all very important, and they drove the car and they had fun, and it's a happy family, it's a happy story, and Christmas, Merry Christmas or whatever, you know? But the reason it's important is because traditionally, with these Italian automakers, they're very sensitive. They're very sensitive about anyone kind of working with their parts or making something that looks like, or even in some cases modifying the vehicle that the person bought. So I remember Deadmau5 got in trouble for messing with his Ferrari, and he actually got a letter from a lawyer on behalf of Ferrari saying, you got to fix up that Ferrari. You can't drive it around like that. And I didn't even know that was possible. Ferrari sent Deadmau5 a cease and desist about his Ferrari. So he changed the name of his Ferrari to Ferrari. He painted it with the Nyan cat on the side. And he was having fun, obviously. And I remember reading about this. This was all the way back in 2014. So there's a history of these companies being a bit sensitive about you modifying, changing, fabricating your own version of these cars. So people are really happy about this story because Lamborghini took the high road. They didn't say, they easily could have said, yeah, you got some Lamborghini parts, but you put a Corvette engine. We're really not happy about it. They could have taken that route, but they said, nah, you're having some fun. You're teaching your kid. We're going to participate. And I know they got a commercial out of it. They got a nice, heartwarming video out of it. But still, it showcases a level of empathy, a level of understanding and humanness.
Yeah.
To say, hey, yeah, we get it. Okay, it's not, we don't have to flip our wigs here.
Yeah. At Lamborghini, that's what they do, right? A lot of the
I
time.
don't even know what that saying means.
Is this, I felt like, I watched some of the 3D printing videos in the past. I feel like this is like a home printer, like a small one.
In the video, yeah, they're just using, it looks like an Automaker or or a MakerBot. I don't know. It's definitely
like
easily
those things print out like small little like prototypes.
I know. It's crazy. And it's tremendous amount of work. They're not done yet at this moment. They got the real Aventador for a day, but now it's back to work. And they got to continue with the construction, the fabrication of their actual 3D printed version. So I like it. It's ambitious. It's a cool father-son project as well. So shout out to them. And shout out to Lamborghini for also being cool. it's cool when people are cool and they don't get too sensitive and they don't throw a tantrum. They could have thrown a tantrum, Will. They didn't. They embraced. They leaned into it. They said, okay, that's cool.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, I was just going to find the YouTube channel.
For the official one or the Lamborghini video? Because the Lamborghini video is...
the project one.
Oh, okay,
totally
yeah.
forgot.
I don't know where... I don't know. This probably linked in the article, but... We're moving on, though, Will.
Okay.
People are going to go look it up.
They'll figure it out.
People are going to go look it up.